If you're trying to delete your Blooket account, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow to successfully delete or close your account. Whether you are a teacher or a student, I'm going to show you the exact way that you can delete it. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's jump right in. Search for blooket.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to the website, and make sure that you are also logged into your account. Once you are logged into your Blooket account, on the top right, you'd be able to see your username. Once you hover over it, you can see there's two options, the settings and logout. Click on the settings option, and through this section, you'll be able to see some of your details. You can scroll down, and under edit info, the last option that you see is delete account. Click on this option. Now, before you delete an account, the last step to this is you need to type in the password. The password option is important to verify yourself. So type in the password and then just click on delete, and your account will be successfully deleted and you'll be again taken to the login section. There are no lengthy steps that you need to do. Once you click on this delete, your account of Blooket will be immediately deleted. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.